Hey there guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. So in this video, I am going to kind of challenge myself to do something pretty interesting. What you see here right in front of you right now is my website that was built in Divi. And I thought, could I actually rebuild this landing page on Builderall, right? And so in this video, if you have been looking at Divi and you have been looking at Builderall and you're wondering, could I build a website just as pretty on Builderall as I have on Divi or as I can on Divi? Well, here's a challenge. I am going to recreate, let me see, I don't want the video to be too long, but I am going to at least go ahead and I'm going to recreate the top half of my website on Builderall exactly the way that I have it on Divi, or at least to the closest that I can, so we can see if we can come pretty close on making our website look the same from Divi to Builderall. So I guess this is a Divi versus Builderall challenge, and don't get me wrong, I absolutely love Divi, and one of the reasons that I have not transferred my website, or from WordPress to Builderall I should say, is because I already have a lot of time and energy and content invested in this site. But this video is for those of you that are kind of looking at Divi versus Builderall. You're not sure if you should stay on WordPress because you want the ability to be able to create beautiful things in Builderall, and you're not sure if you can do it. Well, in this video, I am gonna recreate, like I said, part of my website in Builderall to show you that, yeah, you can build some beautiful things in Builderall if you know what you're doing. So with that being said, if you want to see how you can create a Divi designed site using Builderall Pixel Perfect Builder, then keep on watching. Alright guys and gals, again this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. Alright, so let's take a little snapshot of this of this website, okay? And I have two monitors, so I'm going to bring this over to the side, and what I'm going to do is I am going to open up my Builderall Builder, and we're going to just go ahead and try to recreate this as well as we can, okay? So let me go ahead and put this out on the other monitor so that I can open up a builder inside Builderall. Alright, so I'm going to totally start from scratch. So I'm in my Builderall dashboard, okay? And I went to drag and drop Pixel Perfect, and I'm going to go to a new website. And I am going to start with a completely blank page. So I'm going to go right here, and we're going to hit blank page, and I am going to go ahead and just edit the website to look a lot like mine, okay? So here we go. I'm kind of nervous, but I think it's gonna look really awesome. All right, so here we are. We have our header and our footer, okay? And in the video I will have my website actually here on the corner so we can see if we are building it in the same way. So I'm going to go ahead and I am going to let's see, okay, this is the actual header that I want to appear. So I'm going to go ahead and right click this, and I'm going to make it the same color as my header on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to white, because right here this is gray. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bring this down just a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start by putting in my logo. So let's go ahead and click on an image, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to put it here. Now if you look right here, you see how this is blue, and then you see if I put it in here it turns yellow. That's because this is the header, and anything that you put in the header, it's going to go all across your website, which makes things easier to build in Builderall, because just like on a WordPress site, basically your header and footer stays the same throughout your site. So we want to make sure that if we want something on the header and the footer all across the site, that we have it in the yellow part, and it'll let you know, hey, if this is going to be in your header and footer, it's going to stay there. So I'm going to go ahead and put I got it, And but I'm gonna put it here for now so I can work. Okay, so let's just go ahead and right click this, and I want to go ahead and change the image, and hopefully I have these images already inside my Builderall. So let's see if I can find them. If not, I'll come close as I can. So let's see. Let me see if I have my name, and I do. Okay, so here we go. Let's go ahead and put my logo, and we're gonna make this smaller. All right, now if I was in WordPress, I'd probably, depending on the theme I'm using, I would have to, I wouldn't be able to just drag and drop just like this and open a window and close a window and shrink it, and I wouldn't really be able to do that. There would be a little bit more work involved in doing that. So yeah, that's one of the first benefits I'm already seeing right now. So I'm going to go ahead and I am going to put a menu here now, right? So I'm going to go to menu, and let's see, here we go, menu, and I'm just going to have it look like this. And right now the menu is empty. All right, let me get that one out of there. So as I add some pages in here, we will populate that menu. Okay, so but I'm going to leave it there just for now. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to put the same banner that I have inside of my website on here. All right, so what I want to do is I want to go ahead and add a banner. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add a banner, and I'm going to put it right in here. Okay, and this is my footer, so I want to bring this down a little bit. And here I want to right click here, and I'm going to, I just did a screen share of a screen copy of my banner, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that for now. So let me go ahead and upload on my desktop. I should have it, and it's right here. So let's go ahead and put that in here. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and wait for that to compress, and then we're going to go ahead and add that in there. Alright, so far, so good. Okay, so the next thing now that we need is where I have my, my little offer. So let's go ahead and add another banner. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add another banner, and I'm going to go ahead and click over here, and I'm just going to add another banner, and I'm going to use my branding colors. So let me go ahead and get my branding color really quickly. Let's go to appearance, let's go to colors, let's change this out. Let's go to more colors, and I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste that right there. So that's my branding color. And the cool thing is about Builderall is that you can save your colors as you go, so you can build your brand palette as you go. So let me go ahead and just grab the other colors in my brand palette while I'm at it. That way I have everything already here ready to go. All right, so let me go ahead. Whoops, I'm just doing that to save the color. And then my other color is this one, just so that I have it readily available here. So I'm going to click on save color, but I'm going to go back to this one. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am just going to shrink this up a little bit. Okay, so let's go back to my website, and let's go ahead, and now I am going to put the headline. So I'm going to put text right here. Okay, so let's go ahead, and I'm going to put this text right here, and let's put the exact wording, which is crack the code to more leads, sales, and signups. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead, and I am going to actually, I want to make this bigger, and I want to change this to white. So I'm going to go ahead and change the font size here. That's probably a little too big, so let me go ahead and put that there. And I'm going to use Lotto as my font, and I'll put that there, and let's go ahead and put that there. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put another text. Okay, so let's go put another text, and let's see, I'll put this one. All right, And I think I can just copy and paste from my website. So let me go ahead and do that now. Let me go ahead and just make this white. And I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and make that white. All right, so far, so good. Okay, so it's pretty much looking the same. Actually, I think this is Montserrat font, but we'll just leave it like that for now. Okay, so now I need an Enroll Now button. So let's go ahead and put my button. Let's go ahead and this is rounded off just a little bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it over here. And I'm going to change the appearance because I want to change the color. So let's go ahead and put my colors. Actually, this is the color of the background that I want to change. And so I'm going to put it here. And then the hover color will be this one, which is just slightly different. And I'm going to put here text Enroll Now. Enroll Now. Alrighty. All right. Looking good, looking good. Okay. Divi, let's call this Divi versus Builderall. Okay? Divi versus Builderall. All right. So far, we're looking good. That looks like my website. Okay, so now we're going to put another banner. Okay, so let's go ahead and put another banner. Going to put another banner right here, and I've got this brick background here. So let's go ahead and go to Appearance, and I'm going to go to Images, and I'm going to go right into here, and let's see if I have that image readily available. That's close, but that's not exactly the one that I'm here it is. Okay, so let me click Confirm, and I'm using that, and then this one on my website actually has a parallax effect. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put Appearance, and I'm going to go to Images here, and I'm going to click on the little gear, and I'm going to change that to Parallax. So now it has that whole parallax thing going on just like it does on my website. All right, so actually I don't think I clicked OK, so let me do that again. Oh, I didn't have to. Okay, cool. All right, you can adjust the speed if you want it to go faster, however you want to do that, okay? All right, so let me go ahead and save. And then the next thing I want to do is I want to put my learning academies. Now notice, guys, I have not used any code. If I would have done this in Divi, I would have needed to know CSS coding just to get the button to do this. And another thing is I can make this button smaller, I can make this button bigger. I mean, this is truly dragging and dropping type of design, okay? And I absolutely love that, all right? So let me go ahead and show you really quickly how I do these boxes. So let me go ahead and do a box. So I've got a box, and so I'm going to use this box right here. And so now I'm going to use it here. And guys, I am eyeballing this. So for those of you that this drives you crazy because you want everything in perfect alignment, I'm just doing it for this video right now. I'm just, taking you through the process of actually putting the elements in here. Okay, so I'm not too concerned about having everything completely perfect at this point. Okay, so I'm going to make this my branding color. All right. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and put the text. And I could actually copy and paste this right here. So let me go ahead and copy. And I'm going to put it right in here because it's same font I'm going to use. Okay, I'm going to put this here towards the center, and I'm going to call this Learning Academies. And I'm going to go ahead and put that there, and then I'm going to go ahead and see if I can put a shadow, a little bit of a shadow. Ooh, and I just made some money. Yay! All right, let's go ahead and put Confirm. Beautiful. All right, that looks good. Okay, so now I'm going to put the rest of the text. I'm going to go ahead and just use what I have right here. Boom, super simple. Come over here. And I'm going to put this in here. And I'm going to copy and paste. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. And I am going to change the color. Okay. And make sure that it's all in the center. And I'm going to put another button over here. So let's go ahead and put a button. And I'm going to use this one because it's very similar to what I have on my website. I'm just going to change out really quickly. Look at this, no code whatsoever. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to go to appearance, and I'm going to change it to the colors from my website. So I'm going to go ahead and from red I'm going to change it to white, and I'm going to go to the borders. Let me see, borders right here, I'm going to change it to white, and the hover I still got to change it. So color of background right here, I'll make it this color so that when you hover over it, or maybe I should make it this one. Okay, that's good. So that's it. I got that in here, and now I can copy the rest of these. Copy, boom, copy, boom. If I was in WordPress, I mean, I would, yeah, I mean, there's a way to copy these things like that, but what I love is that I can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, that looks good. Okay, and then the last part of the website is, let me go ahead and bring in the banner really quickly. We're going to go ahead and add this banner as well. So, check this out. See, I'm using banners, guys, because the thing is with Builderall, now we would have to fix the mobile version. And when you design in banners, here's my footer. Boom, I got to bring this down here. Okay, but when it comes to Builderall, building in banners is always going to be the easiest thing for you to do because it makes tweaking the mobile version a lot easier. So let's go ahead and click on appearance, and I'm going to go and I'm going to upload the image as my other banner that I have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and do that because I love to do teaching videos like this to show you how to, you know, make the most of using Builderall to help you build your business. So here we go. And now, boom, I've got this here as well. Oh, this looks really great. Okay, so now I have basically, you know, recreated my website and it looks just like the one I built on Divi. Okay, for the exception of a few tiny little details, but you know, I'm not going to make this video go on forever, but I could totally tweak some things, you know, as far as like, you know, the font, it doesn't look exactly the same or whatever, but we're pretty darn close, right? Okay, so now what I want to do is, just so that we can see how the menu would work, let me go ahead and just add a few pages here. So I'm just going to go ahead and add pages here. So let me go ahead and just add a page. And another cool thing about Builderall is that you can actually add an opt-in form straight away, right from there. You know what I'm saying? So I can go ahead and create lead campaigns right from my website. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll pick something like this. Okay. And I'll put email opt-in or just opt-in. And we're going to go ahead and save this. Okay, so we'll just have to fix this a little bit, bring this down a little bit. This is just a template to get started with, but I would bring this stuff down, add it as a page. Okay. Now, if you don't want your logo here, right, because remember what I said in the beginning, your footer and your header is going to carry over to all the other pages. So if you are doing a lead capture page, you're going to want to add it as a layout. But I just wanted to show you how to add some pages here just so that we can do the menu. Okay, so let me go ahead and add another page and just put a blank page. confirm, and then I'll just duplicate this one, and that way we have just so that we can have some things on the menu. Okay. All right, so let me just call this about, or we'll call it offer or free ebook. We'll do that. We'll put free ebook. Free ebook, okay? And then we'll call this about, and we'll call this work with Barbie. Just so that we can have something on the menu. Make sure we rename the pages and we save it. Here we go, about, and free ebook, and this we're gonna call it work with Barbie. Let's call it work with Barbie. Save it. We're gonna click save, and now we're gonna do our menu. Let's go to configure the menu from here. And we're going to go here and we're going to add the pages right here. So we're going to go about, work with Barbie, free ebook, confirm. So now we have our menu, and we're going to right click and we're going to go to appearance. And let's see. I don't like any of these. So we're going to go ahead and click the gear so we can change out the fonts. And we're going to make this, we're going to put Lotto here. And let's see, we're going to, the font is font color. Here we go. We want to make it black. And we're going to make this, we're going to hover in, yeah, in this one. And the selected, we're going to call it that. Okay? So we're going to go like that. And so now we have our menu. And so when you go to any of the other pages, they will also be there. All right? So boom, there we go. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. So I didn't need any coding. I didn't have to change views. I didn't have to go into, you know, any other builder, or oh my gosh, this would have been a nightmare if I tried to do this with like Visual Composer or something like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and preview it. And that's looks like my website. All right, I love it. It looks good. So what do you think? How do you think I did? Can you build a Divi-like website in Builderall? Yes, you can. Now, of course, you need design skills. So if you are a designer and you are looking to, you know, maybe bridge that gap and make, you know, some extra money residually every month using Builderall, because you're not going to really make any money on WordPress. You're not really going to be able to bridge that, you know, residual income gap if you are working from client to client, or even just for your personal use. If you are already on Builderall and you're like, oh, can I build a website as good as Divi on Builderall? Absolutely, yes, you can. All you need are some design skills, some creativity, and learning how to use the Builderall Builder, and you can absolutely build a comparable website without having to know any coding whatsoever. So how cool is that? So guys and gals, if you like this video, please go ahead and like this video and leave your comments below. Let me know if you think that pretty much they look the same. So here is one. I don't think I can show you in the same monitor, but here is my Builderall site. Okay, and here is my Divi site on WordPress. Pretty much the same. It's the same thing, pretty much the same, right? Pretty cool. So yeah, so you can totally build anything you want on Builderall. I totally love it. And if you want to test our tools and give it a shot, I will have a link right below this video where you can activate a 7-day free trial and test the tools yourself. Just remember, build in banners and keep all your text inside boxes so that everything behaves correctly. And yeah, and you can literally drag open and close and do all these really neat things that would require you to know some coding if you were to use an alternative method. So yeah, so if you want to go ahead and activate a 7-day free trial of Builderall, and once you activate a business plan, you'll get access to like templates and training and all kinds of awesome things that I have in store for my partners. Whether you are looking to use Builderall for your business, or whether you're looking to use it as a tool to grow someone else's business, or if you want to be an affiliate like me because you love the tool so much you just want to share them with everyone and create an awesome income working from home, especially if you are a designer, or if you do any type of web developing, or if you're an affiliate marketer and you build pages all the time. Anyway, this could be a really awesome you know, opportunity for you to create that extra residual income like I'm doing from home, which is amazing. So anyway, so yeah, I just thought it was a cool little challenge. I wanted a challenge to see if I could actually make my a Builderall website look like my Divi website, and yeah, you absolutely can. So anyway, hopefully this was entertaining for you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead and like my video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the notification bell just in case you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. I truly appreciate you. This has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and I will see you on another video. Bye!